Hello guys, welcome back to All in Reality. Today we'll be looking into MRTK. MRTK, if you people don't know, it is a mixed reality toolkit which is actually provides the interactions as well as the gestures for HoloLens. It is the interaction engine for HoloLens. So we'll use the same SDK and we'll build for ARCore. So and we'll see how it is going to work out. So in this tutorial, I'll be just showcasing how the SDK setup we can do, and we can just build a sample app for ARCore Android device. And going forward, we will see how from the scratch we can build this for any AR application in next parts. So for now, I'll just showcase how we can set up and build the APK. Let's get started. Yeah, so go to this link. I'll be providing this in the description so that you will be able to access this. So once you come here, you can see here iOS and Android. This is the experimental package documentation where you'll be finding GitHub link. So once you go to this GitHub link, you'll be finding the packages which we need to download to set up our project. So this is the GitHub link where you'll be finding the packages. You need to download only two packages from here. One is Unity examples, which is the first one, and the third one, which is Unity AR Foundation, like Unity Foundation 2.3.0. So these two packages you have to download. But I have already downloaded these two packages here, which actually is there already with me. So you can just import these two packages. Once you download these things, you can go ahead and try to create a new Unity project. Yeah, so the project is ready now, an empty project. So before just importing those things, we should make sure everything is ready for building an ARCore application. So for that, let's go ahead and edit some player settings. In player settings, make sure you remove. First of all, let's convert this into Android, and now it is in Android mode. Just go and remove graphics API Vulkan, which is not supporting for ARCore. And after that, yeah, everything is good. And let's download the Unity packages for AR Foundation and ARCore. Yeah, search for AR Foundation 2.1.8, which actually supports our MRTK plugins. So I've downloaded this, and ARCore also you can install, and we are good to go now. Yeah, and set up the XR plugin also, create a ARCore asset which is required. And yeah, this is pretty much it, and let's import this. So import the examples, and yeah, I just imported the examples, and there are few issues because we didn't import the SDK of MRTK. Once you import that, it will be fine. So let's import the SDK of MRTK, and it will take a while. Now there is a MRTK settings apply button. You can just apply and proceed further. Yeah, so the packages are imported, and you can go ahead and open whatever example you want, and you can try to start doing the changes. And now I will just show the hand tracking example. You have several examples in this which are actually experimental, and you can interact with all the UI elements. So this example, you can go to toolkit.examples and demos. Inside that you can find hand tracking. In that the scene will be available called hand tracking examples. So in that, why I chose that example is that because it is having all the UI interactions like scale, as well as like tap and hold, and so many MRTK examples which actually will be very useful. So here you can see all the examples. where we'll be using for building our example. So there's a piano and everything is actually pinch and zoom, and each and every normal basic functionalities also is having a AR and 3D visualization. So it will be very exciting if you use these things in a real world application. So these are all like embedded with physics also. You can see in the example. Going forward in the next example, we will try how these are all working and we will go in deep. But as of now, for this example, I'll just build this sample scene and try to show you how it is working. Go to mixed reality toolkit, and in the inspector there will be a toolkit profile where you have to give your profile. Because we are not building for HoloLens, we have to change this profile to AR, which actually will be useful. So just clone this and we'll be creating our own. So I'll name this as mobile mixed reality toolkit profile. Yeah, and you can just clone this. It will be setting up, and it is created and it came to this particular asset. And here also we have to do some small changes, because you are not using this existing thing. You have to clone this also and create mobile. Cool. Clone this. Camera profile also you have to change, and you go to this camera setting provider, where it will be already available with mixed reality camera settings, but we have to create our own because it is different for us. And a new data provider will be available. Go inside this and you have to change this type to Unity AR, which is actually going to support your AR camera settings. Yeah, I think this is it. You don't need to do anything else to just to build the sample. And once you have done this, you can just save and cross settings, and everything is fine, and you can build this to a Android device. And let's build the application and test the application in the real world. So going forward, we'll try to build this same application from the scratch. So we'll show you how to build with a normal 3D model and interact with that using this gestures and interactions of MRTK, so that you can use this same interactions in your application. And it will be very exciting to use this and create any Android application. So I hope you like this video. Please like and share and subscribe to our channel and show your love. And that's all. Thank you so much.